So welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. In this really short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to publish your craft docs to the web. This is very, very simple. And I'm a relatively new craft user, but it's a phenomenal way of publishing, online courses, creating resource guides that you can share with your, either your internal team or with folks in your entrepreneurial orbit. If you're a maker or a creator or a teacher, or somebody who is selling content online, you can actually use like conventional like e-commerce tools like Gumroad, let's say for an example, or WooCommerce, and sell a piece of content that upon purchase redirects to a URL that you actually publish using a craft doc. So let's just pick any one of these really quickly. And this is just a doc on on writing, and for our own internal community, right? So this is our Mindful Marketplace community. We teach courses on a variety of different platforms, but really, honestly, I could do a lot of this using Craft for free. So let's really quickly go to share, and you have two different options here. You have a share to web or an export as, and there are different options here that are worth exploring. PDF obviously is a great way of turning these sorts of craft docs into ebooks and workbooks and all that sort of thing. But for this particular example, we're just going to use the share to web link here because we want to share this resource online. And it's done, right? So now you have a live URL where this document lives in the world. There are all sorts of different options here that you can explore, including setting a password. You can actually, create your own branded domain and URL on the business plan using Craft. So you can actually, for an example, have this live on a domain that's branded to you rather than a Craft URL. But for right now, it doesn't really matter. We're just going to click on this here, and boom, now we have a live URL with our craft document. And that's really, really, it's just a great way of taking these sorts of documents and publishing them online so that other folks can access them as well. Right. So let's see if there's anything else here. I mean, a lot of this stuff here is just my own. This is actually a little mini course that's fleshed out in much more detail on our LMS, our learning management software program. But you can see here, I could publish this the same way, just a very simple mindfulness based practice. If you click on this here, it actually, so I'll show it to you like this. And this is another really cool feature is this is live on the web right now, and it actually links to another PDF. So that document has its own embedded PDF, which will also open from that web URL. And you can also turn the craft watermark off, or their branding you can remove. So if you go to advanced options, show created with craft, you can turn this off. You can allow search engine indexing, and all this is really super easy, quite elegant, and you can of course change stylistically how everything looks. Over here, you can change the different All right, so you can explore this on your own, but I'm a huge fan of Craft, and while I'm only really a recent convert to Craft, it is truly a phenomenal platform that I am really grateful to have discovered. Okie doke, teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have questions about using Craft or otherwise,